of Algonac High School. All right, thank you. Welcome to the 95th annual Algonac Pep Assembly. One sec. Right now we're going to watch the varsity cheer dance. Before, we're going to say their names.
On the varsity cheer, there's Jordan Fiorani, Megan Jordan, Megan Meitinger, Megan Thomas, Kayla Hopkins, Danielle Soms, Alyssa Picard, Mary Beth McKenzie, Kaylee Lufkin, Alexis Smith, Courtney Diener, Morgan Kerrigan, Autumn Kensky, Chloe Novacek, Rachel Lawson, and Olivia O'Regan. Coached by Mrs. Terrell and Mrs. Kazeski.
Now look at us.
Track athlete setting a school record is the ultimate goal. Today we are honoring 4 girls who last spring set 3 school records on their way to an all-state performance. One of those girls is graduate Sam Zagalowski. She's now a student at the University of Detroit where she's running track there. The other 3 girls are with us today are junior Lindsay Treblecott, come on out. Seniors, Lily Hinkle. And senior Shelby Laughlin, come on out. All right. All three girls joined Samantha setting school records at the Division II state finals in the 800-meter relay and the 1600-meter relay. They finished second in the 1600-meter relay, the highest relay finish at states in school history. Shelby also has her name on the record board a third time for her outstanding performance in the pole vault when she cleared 10-6 at the Muskrat Classic. We are now, for the first time, going to unveil their school records on the school record board. Nice job, ladies. You can have a seat.
All right now we're going to do the wheelbarrow race. My lovely assistant Taylor will be announcing the names.
Okay, for seniors, I need Alex Barnaby and Charlie Brody. For juniors, I need Josh Stoker and Tyler Dubay. For sophomores, I need Yvonne Turabian and Emily Mego. And for freshmen, I need Josh Burgess and Robert Joel. And I need Mr. Ranger and Mr. Cesaro. Also, for the seniors, I need Chris Snyder, Shelby Macklin, Jesse Smith, and Alyssa Sims Craig for this relay race. For the juniors, I also need Alex May, Veronica Roberts, Jeremiah Wallison, and Megan Thomas. For the sophomores, I also need Owen Katz, Katie Janish, Jesse Milnowski, and Joe Roberts. And for the freshmen, I also need Cole Sobo, Mariah Curley, Damon Smith, and Dakota Dunn. And I also need Mr. Matt Scott and Miss Cuomo. Wheelbarrow, get ready, please. On your mark, get set, go.
On your mark, get set, go. second. On your mark, get set, go. Sadly, the juniors win. Well, good afternoon. For those of you, I'm Coach Sherman. Came from all the way from Sheboygan, and last night we were up in K-Pack, and our freshman JVs put a real whooping on the Chiefs. So as I'm leaving the field, I see one of these helmets just laying there. And to be honest, after the beating they got last night, I probably wouldn't be wearing that helmet either. So, all week, y'all have been against each other. Seniors against juniors, against freshmen, against sophomores. So I thought for one time today, let's just see how loud Algonac can be. So, I'm not real creative with cheers. But since K-Pac's coming all the way down here, I think our slogan should be, send them back to K-Pac. Administration, by the way, we will return that helmet. I think that's only fair that we send it back to them. So, I'm going to start it out. You guys pick it up and let's just see how loud we can make it. By the way, thanks y'all for letting me be a member of the swamp. Just so you know. Just so you know, I'm not really a muskrat, but I did graduate from Ann Arbor, Huron, and we were known as the River Rats, so we're kind of cousins here, maybe. So, here we go. We're going to send them back to K-Pac. 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 We're going to send this helmet back. We're going to send it back, but we're going to send it back in peace. All right, well, that was interesting. Jimmy Bogowski, Jeffrey Geck, Matt Avers, Charlie Brody, Brian Spees, Damon Burnett, Joe DeRue, Brandon Smith, Robert Stone, Jason Young, Lee Kyle Beal, John Brad, Bobrex Baranowski, Hunter Dorfer, Max Sweat, Nick Cadino, Tyler Dubay, Keegan Ludewies, Garrett Roach, Alan Curley, Jeremiah Wilson, Josh Stilger, Nick Sanford, Antonio Petrowski, and Mason Graham. Alright, now I'd like to invite all the JV and the freshmen to come join us in the fight zone. So, come down here. No, we're doing fight zone. skippity-doo? Alright, you guys ready? A 1, a 2, a skippity-doo. Relay race. On your mark, get set, go. Sophomores in fourth, and juniors coming last. One sec while we tally everything up. Alright, in last place, we have the teachers. In fourth place, we have the sophomores. In third place, we have the freshmen. In second place is the juniors. And then your winner, the seniors.